What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a comfy, cozy clothing haul that I'm really excited to share with you. Of course, none of us are leaving the house right now, so I figured this is the perfect time to share some of my favorite comfy and cozy pieces from Nasty Gal. This video is sponsored by Nasty Gal. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I've had so many of you guys reach out to me and just say that you love them as well, so I'm really excited about that. Obviously, of course, with everything going on right now, I feel like it can be really easy to just get inside of a rut and just not feel good about yourself. So I feel like one of the perfect ways to just give yourself a little pick-me-up and just feel good about yourself is to buy some comfy, cozy lounge sets. That way when you're around the house or you're going for walks, you can just still feel good about yourself, you know, and just something to look forward to and kind of distract yourself. Like, I know for me, I have been loving long walks. I always do. Every single spring and summer, I love going on long walks, but especially now, just to get out of the house and just get some fresh air. I've been loving some nice long walks, and of course you need a cute little outfit to go on a long walk. So what better than, like, for me, I've been wearing a lot of lounge sets and a lot of tracksuits and leggings and stuff like that. So in today's video, I'm going to share a ton of really cute sets, like the one I'm wearing right now. I'll show you guys in a full view. But for those of you who do not know what Nasty Gal is, they honestly are so affordable. I know you guys are gonna love them. They always have amazing sales, and they also always have really great variety. Like, if you go on their new arrivals section, you will see new pieces all the time, and you will see so much different variety. What's really great too is they also offer afterpay, which is perfect for those of you who are on a budget. You actually get to pay, I believe it's in 3 installments, so you don't have to pay right away. You can pay later within 3 installments. So I just think that's great for those of you that are on a budget. One of my favorite things about Nasty Gal is they have the cutest lounge sets as well as PJ sets, so I know you guys will love them. Before we do get into the haul, I do want to just quickly mention I am going to leave all of the links to everything down below in the description box. That way it's easy for you guys to shop. If you like a certain piece, I'm going to leave everything in order as well as size for reference. Okay, this first set is the absolute cutest. It's a little cute cropped hoodie and some knit leggings to go with it. I'm just so obsessed with this. It's so comfy and so cozy. And even though it's knit, it's actually not see-through like at all, which is really good because I would feel comfortable with this wearing it out as well if I wanted to go on a walk. And like I said, it has the hoodie. And I got mine in a medium, which I do feel like the medium hoodie is slightly, like, it's very true to size. It's slightly more fitted, or more of just like a regular fit. If you do want a loose oversized fit, I would definitely recommend sizing up. Okay, I gotta say, this one is like a favorite of mine. It is so unbelievably comfortable. Like, just the oversized knit sweater, and the pants are really nice. They actually fit me really good because I am short. So sometimes pants don't fit me good. I love the off the shoulder, so cute. And it's the oversized arms and the oversized sweaters, just such a perfect, like, cozy vibe. It's very soft material. It is knit, which is great too. And it's not see-through. Like, you guys can't even see what I'm wearing underneath. So I love that it's not see-through because you can feel comfortable enough to wear it out as well as inside the house. And just for those of you guys who might want to see, you can see how long it is when you wear it fully. I always kind of bunch these types of sweaters up. Okay, are you guys not obsessed with this? Like, I'm obsessed with this one. It is the cutest thing ever. Not only is it like the prettiest creamy white color, but again, you have the off the shoulder vibe, which I love. So it's very similar sweater to the last piece that I showed you guys, or the last set that I showed you guys, but it is shorter. Like, it's not as long and it's not quite as oversized, but it still is a nice oversized fit. This one is slightly more see-through. Like, I feel like this one I would feel very comfortable wearing more around the house, but I feel like it's the perfect little set. So adorable. I really, really like this one, honestly. I feel like this is the perfect set to throw on if you just want to cuddle up and cozy up and watch some movies. Maybe have like a little at-home cozy date night. Okay, I'm obsessed with this fit, you guys. Like, totally just my vibe with the nude and the olive. I love it so much. So I decided to pair it with nude sneakers as well. So these leggings are so comfortable, you guys. They're very, very lightweight, which is perfect for spring and summer. And they are ribbed. I don't know if you guys can tell. They're also nice and high-waisted, which is really great. And I paired it with this Nasty Gal Nude Hoodie that I am obsessed with. Like, straight up, you guys, I am gonna be wearing this hoodie a lot. I can already tell. Ooh, there's something in my hair. I can already tell because this hoodie is very lightweight. Like, it's not super thick, so it's perfect for spring and summer. I can just tell, like, I'm letting you know right now, I'm gonna be wearing this hoodie a lot. Like, I can just tell. It's very comfortable, but like, I don't feel hot in it. And it's hot right now in the house because it's kind of a hot day outside. So it's like that awkward springtime where you don't know when to turn off the heat. So I finally turned off the heat in the house today, but it's like really hot from all the sun. And I'm not hot in this. Like, it feels very comfortable and very cozy. So I love this sweater, even though it's so plain. Like, you guys know me, plain Jane, but I love it. So the next piece is this super cute nude crew neck that says Hollywood with the heart on it. So I just thought this was a really cute piece. Again, I wish you guys could feel like how soft this material is. It's the same material as the last nude hoodie. Like, it is so incredibly soft and comfy, and it's very lightweight. Again, like, even the sleeves, like, I know it's weird to say, but even like just the sleeves are very lightweight and soft. Again, with this piece, you definitely won't be getting too hot in. So I feel like it's perfect for a walk because right now there's like this weird weather where the sun is out, so it's warm, but then the air is still a little bit chilly. So I feel like this is perfect. Okay, so straight off the bat, I can tell you, I think I selected a small in this by accident because it is way too like fitted on me. So I think I accidentally selected the wrong size. I never wear smalls in hoodies or in sweaters. I always wear like mediums or larges so they can be nice and loose, like oversized fit. But I still had to show this to you guys because how adorable is this crew neck? I love it because it just says, I mean, y'all can read. It's so adorable. I love this. And it's the nicest like faded gray. So you guys know I love that faded gray color. So I just thought this was a really cute piece. I'm kind of sad. I wish I got it in a large so it can be like oversized. Okay, I love this fit, you guys. It's so simple, but I feel like throw on some sunnies and some gold jewelry, some gold necklaces, and it would look so adorable. So it's actually a set, which I love because you don't have to buy the pieces separately. So it comes with these amazing biker shorts that are a very soft material, and they're not too long on me. I hate getting biker shorts and then they look good online because the models are taller and then when they come in real life, they're like super long. So I love that these are not super long. This outfit just looks so good with a pair of sneakers and, like I said, some black sunnies and some gold jewelry. It's the whole vibe. Okay, so the last piece that I have to show you guys is actually another set, and this is pretty much the pink version of the nude one that I showed you, and I'm again just obsessed with it. I love like how oversized the sleeves are and just how oversized and baggy the sweater is, and everything is so comfortable and so cozy. Like, this is just perfect again to go on a nighttime or daytime walk in. And you know I love baby pink. Like, baby pink is everything to me. It's my favorite color ever, and this one's a very pretty like muted pastel pink, so I love it, and it always matches my nails when I wear baby pink because I'm always wearing this nail color. So really quickly before we end off the video, I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the Nasty Gal website. As you can see here, there are so many new arrivals that aren't just loungewear and casual wear. They have so much different variety, but obviously with everything going on right now, there's some few comfy pieces that I love, like this one right here. This purple hoodie is just adorbs. So I just wanted to show you like all the different pieces and the new arrivals. As you can see, there's so many, like you can literally search through endless amounts of pages. And of course they have an entire section dedicated to loungewear, which I love. That's the section that I've been obsessed with currently. So as you can see, there's so many different sets. I love that two-piece black one up there. There's so many great neutrals. You guys know I love a good neutral. What's great about these is a lot of them are sets as well, so they match. I love this gray one right here. I'm obsessed with gray with white sneakers, and I love this little bralette too. And they also have an entire section for sleepwear, which I love because right now I'm pretty sure all of us are living in our PJs some days. So I love that they have different PJ sets, and a lot of them are really fun. Like this one right here just screams me, like that is so me. And they also have an entire section dedicated to casual wear. So I've been obsessed with this section as well. So that is pretty much it for the haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know right now everything's kind of crazy, but I think it's just a really great way to kind of distract yourself and just get some comfy, cute, cozy pieces for around the house so that you can still feel good about yourself. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.